Get me away from the mosquitoes! Good morning. We just left Mig Lake and we've got a 17-point-something mile day today. Anyway, it was a good night. Lots of people around, big campsite, lots of tents. Met some new people, so it was fun. The weather should be great. Still a cloudy, overcast Washington day, but we do have views. We're not quite in the Cascades anymore, the northern Cascades. Not sure if there's a southern Cascades. Anyway, so we don't have the snow-peaked mountains all around us, but it's still pretty. I have this theory about foot pain from stepping on rocks, that it's cumulative, and if you avoid stepping on small rocks, pointy rocks at the beginning of the day when it doesn't really feel painful, you'll avoid the tiny bit of pain that you don't recognize as pain from stacking up over all the rocks you'll step on for the rest of the day, and when it starts feeling painful will be later in the day, because of course you can't avoid all rocks. In fact, yeah, I try to step on flat surfaces whenever I can, unless I'm crossing muddy areas. Then of course I'm aiming for the rocks because I don't want to get muddy. What's wrong? We do still have snow on some mountains. We're headed to the lake for lunch. What lake is this?
Glacier Lake.
Oh, this is Glacier Lake. Should be beautiful. Wish I could see them. Anyway, before I was interrupted, Glacier Lake. We were sitting right down there on the right-hand side where those rocks are, eating lunch earlier. Now there's mosquitoes attacking me, so I need to go. Beautiful. Last night, we all got woken up, but didn't realize anyone else had also woken up. But we confirmed in the morning with each other that we felt like a movement. It was like 3:15 or something in the morning. And so we think we felt an earthquake. And then at lunch, a ranger passed by and asked for our permits. It's our first time being carded on the PCT. We all had our permits, of course. And we talked to him for a while, and he confirmed that yes, there was an earthquake in Washington. Say 50 miles from here, is that what he said? 40 miles away. It was like a 4.7 or 4 point something. Anyway, so yeah, that's what we felt. Pretty crazy. Another hidden lake. There's Glacier Lake. There's Mini Glacier Lake. I don't know really what it's called, but it is pretty. Further up, now you can see another lake off in the distance, past Glacier Lake. I'm not sure if that's where we have to go. I think I might see some zigzags that lead up that way. Not gonna be fun. Not in these rocks. So, yep, we are going up the rock. Don't get me wrong, it is fun. It's just also a little painful. So you have to walk on all of this rock. Right here, it's not so bad. It's not crushed, but sometimes it's pretty rough and pokey on your soul. Look, it's Mike and Maddie, or Black Hole and Poppins. Like little ants. It's our new view. First to break. Surprise Mountain! Can we go to Surprise Mountain?
Mountain!
Sounds like a great mountain. Or is it like you don't know it's there and it jumps out at you? Or is it like give you presents?
We'll never know. We're going to Snowfall in the past.
Beautiful part of the trail. Just leaving Deception Lake. Following this stream next to us on a pretty little path. And even there's a cute little bridge. Nice. Woo, woo. 200 miles with an amazing view. It was there. 200.
I mean, it's really 232, but who's counting it?
Right here. Here's with the deer. That's a difficult crossing. We have to get over there. There's Amber. Putting on camp shoes. So then we can go across that stuff. This is freezing cold. And over there and up and over. Slippery rock there. Goes down into a hole. Got our shoes back on. I know we have like over a mile to get to camp. We need to go.